soon as you sign up on the form, go before you enter in your credit card. I agree to the terms of service. Here it is. Please review carefully, print for your own records. This is a legally binding contract. Sign, agree, credit card, you're in. Hey friends, welcome to Creative X. My name is Brad Hussey and I'm a web designer. Today, we're going to be sharing a clip from one of our weekly office hours sessions within our Creative X crew, which is our free community filled with professional web designers, freelancers, agency founders, no-code makers, and people who build amazing things for the internet. During these sessions, I answer questions, provide design feedback, talk positioning, branding, pricing, you name it. The crew is growing every single day, and we have a ton of fun. And there is a special place with your name on it. So I want to invite you to join us in the Creative X crew, be a part of our family, and join us in these weekly office hours. It's free, and the link is in the description down below. I'd love to see you on the inside. Now let's get into today's clip. What I would do is approach this like a business, and you set aside, you allocate resources to do it all very, very well. So what I would do if I was doing that, I'd go, it's probably a one size fits all contract. Like when you sign up for any software subscription, you don't talk to the account manager and then they write up a custom contract and you read through it. That's a different engagement altogether. It's very much like, here's the contract terms of use. By clicking here, you agree to the terms and that's it. There's no wiggle room around that. And you've agreed, so now it's legally binding. So probably what I would do is find a lawyer, attorney, and say, here's what I'm doing. Here's what I need. I need this set up. And they may be like, okay, well, that's going to cost $2,000. We'll get it all done. It'll be perfect. And you can use it for every single one as a checkbox. I agree to this terms of use or whatever they might say. And then you go, great. That was a well worth the investment. Now I know that's bulletproof and I'm always going to use that. As soon as you sign up on the form, go before you enter in your credit card. I agree to the terms of service. Here it is. Please review carefully, print for your own records. This is a legally binding contract. Sign, agree, credit card, you're in. And then your automated email onboarding comes into play and you get the instructions to maybe talk to an account manager to say how we're going to get started, maybe any onboarding files they need or questionnaires. There's lots of stuff that you can automate. And so, that's what I would do. In this case, if it was a retainer, then you're creating custom agreements. If you're doing an unlimited design service, an unlimited web design service for, let's say, nonprofits and however you want to position it, niche it, you do that. And then they go through the process that they should be able to sign up and pay for your service without talking to you at all. The sales page will sell itself. You have a nice video explaining it. You have nice design, a nice site, practice what you preach, make the website and the wording, the best it can possibly be, because that's your sales. That's you doing a call with the client and pitching them and going back and forth and convincing them that you're the right choice. So reinvest that into the best landing page, sales page copy, structure, it's gotta be good because that's gonna sell for you. And that's gonna get you when you're sleeping an account for $2,500 a month. So you should be doing that. That should be a good website and you should know it works, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
He's got all these clients coming to him and paying him big money every month to do this unlimited design service. And they go, do you do copywriting too? And he's like, hell no, not at all. So that is something that people will pay for. It's it's obvious. I pay for unlimited video editing. So there's a company here, becreatives.co. So it's kind of like what we talked about. They have a team of a handful of video editors. I don't know how many. You're assigned one. And that's your person. They probably work with a few other people based on their time. Their account manager above them won't give them more work than they can handle because then that looks bad on the company. And then the customer is really upset because you're you said this is unlimited and I get it within this time frame, but I'm not. So that looks bad. So they make sure no, this person, you only get 3 clients or 5 or 2. I don't know what it is based on their case. And as soon as they hit that capacity, okay, we're hiring another one. Maybe we're raising our price second quarter, and then you do that and then you grow and you grow and you grow. Or you cut it off and say, we're not taking new clients. And I don't know, you could do whatever you want at that point. I hope you enjoyed that clip. If you have any comments or questions, post them down below. And also don't forget to join the Creative X crew. The link's down in the description. And while you're here, why not check out this video? And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.